We're still working on avoir. We've learned all of the different forms conjugated in the present tense except one, so this will be the last form. What you've learned so far is I have, j'ai, you have, tu as. Notice the S is not pronounced, tu as. He has, il a, she has, elle a. One has, we have, on a. We have, nous avons. You have, vous avez. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to say they have. They have, ils ont, elles ont. Ils ont, remember, il refers to a group of males only or a mixed group of males and females. Elle refers to only a group of females. Notice I don't pronounce the S here, il, and I don't pronounce the S here, elle. On this first one, they have, because a vowel follows, we do pronounce the S. There is liaison, so you pronounce these two words together as ils ont, ils ont. Remember, we still don't pronounce the consonants here at the end. Ils ont, ils ont. The same here, we don't pronounce the consonants at the end. There is liaison, elles ont, elles ont. Ils ont, elles ont. Ils ont, elles ont. Okay, so they have, ils ont, elles ont. So let's review and apply what you've learned. The infinitive to have, avoir, they have, ils ont, elles ont, a car, une voiture, a bike, un vélo, a dog, un chien, a cat, un chat. If you want to say they have a car, ils ont une voiture, elles ont une voiture. They have a bike, ils ont un vélo, elles ont un vélo. They have a dog, ils ont un chien, elles ont un chien. They have a cat, ils ont un chat, elles ont un chat. Remember, if you want to ask a question, reverse the word order. Ont-ils, ont-elles? Do they have? Ont-ils, ont-elles? Do they have a car? Ont-ils une voiture? Ont-elles une voiture? Do they have a bike? Ont-ils un vélo? Ont-elles un vélo? Do they have a dog? Ont-ils un chien? Ont-elles un chat? Do they have a cat? Ont-ils un chat? Ont-elles un chat? To continue learning, click on the video that appears here on your screen to go to the next lesson. See you soon. À bientôt.